Welcome to Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. This is your buddy Jim. We're out here in the shop on a really beautiful December morning. It's about a week out from Christmas when I'm shooting this video. So what we're doing today is we're working on a project or two, little projects. I've got some backed up projects. One is a little house project, and I'm gonna shoot you a little video of it. Another one is, like a better word, it's going to be the part of the gift package for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm intentionally waiting a couple of weeks or so, mainly because of the holidays and all that's going on, and excuse me, just my glasses. So that's why I haven't jumped on the bandwagon really hard on that yet. So with that being said, break out that widescreen recliner, call the neighbors over, contact people on your friends, get together on YouTube, have a watch party. I've been saying that here lately. I think that sounds cute. So guys, sit back and enjoy this video. It's something simple, not a lot of going, nothing real complicated and groundbreaking. It's just some of the things that I've been doing lately, just so to let you know I'm still alive and kicking over here in Dallas, North Carolina. Have a great day and hope you enjoy this video. Okay, today this is the problem. We just purchased this at a craft guy here recently, and we like the concept of it, and I'll show it a little better in a minute. But if you'll notice the wine bottle, we won't use it in our kitchen. We have wine in our kitchen, different decorations. And if you'll notice, if I get over here to the side, you can see this is handheld, by the way. See how that wine bottle tends to lean out? And see what this is. I'll lift this out while we're here. Excuse me for getting away from it. And it's basically horseshoes and a farrier's rasp. It looks really cute. So this basically isn't long enough or needs to have a little bit of a lean. So what we've determined is we can put a little lean in behind it. So I'm going to do a little simple job today. I'm going to go out to the shop, cut a little piece of Durlin and create a lean and put on the back of it so it rests up against the wall to lean the bottle back. So that's what we're going to do. This morning I'm going to make that little piece that to fix the wine rack with. It's something really simple, and it's not going to take much time. Basically, it's just something I need to do real fast. Honeydew. Well, and the guy who made the wine rack is a really great guy, and I just think that there's just an issue with there. So what we're going to do is make a little spacer. It's a real simple spacer out of Durlin, and I'm just going to let the camera run. It's basically all it is. We're just going to drill a hole through it, like this. I've also, so see, there's not a lot to it. It's not going to be a lot time-wise. The hardest thing is just to lean it out. I got to put the drill in a long hole up to get it. I've got a lot of drills. So now this is just going to be like a recess for a screw. Okay. Now let me cut this off. It's already started the cut off process. There it is. Alright, now I'm going to turn this thing around and put it. screw's head's not big enough. That's good. Okay. All right. I left that thing on a long time, didn't I? I apologize again for the lighting. This is in the house, but there's the unit, and you see I propped it out a little bit, and that lets the bottle sit better. All that little plastic knob had to do was just space it out in the wall, put just a hair bit of taper in it. Seemed to fix the problem. So there we go, another successful project. Okay, folks, I'm starting on a project, and it's a long put-off project, and it's basically the 1,000 subscriber gift from me, and it's something I've done before on the channel. It's nothing new. But I decided that A, it'd make good video, and B, to show people what I like to do sometimes. So, with that being said, I'm going to make some of those same coasters that I made before for the family at Christmas last year. And I've had this piece of aluminum sitting on my workbench for a while. I've gotten sidetracked with this. So what we're going to do is today we're going to make these coasters. So, the first step in the coaster manufacturing is the way I make them is I've got to get this material turned down to size. Or turned down. It's got a size to it. The internal is the size. The internal is also the trick. So what I've done is basically turn the jaws around, set them up. And I have checked this obviously before starting. So there's my clearance for the first piece of that. Now I'm going to turn this around. I've not broke this edge because there's a lot more to be done, and I've got to change the jaws, so bear with me. Alright, so I put my soft jaws on. We've got the soft jaws, because the reason I'm using soft jaws instead of using a 4-jaw is pretty simple. That using the soft jaws allows me to put other parts in. So once I do this set of jaws and get them bored and true, that these parts will all be true to the same point. And what that's going to allow here is that's going to allow me to more or less my soft jaws are not exact. I didn't make them, I wasn't trying to go for accuracy here. So you notice I'm not taking much of a cut either. I'm just skimming these things. All right, let me see what I look like. See if I cut all the blue out of them on the OD. Yes, I did. in my history, you'll see where I made these jaws. And because I made them out of solid stock, and I didn't take a lot of patience trying to square everything up, they're not exactly 100% true in relationship to the machining in them. It doesn't really matter, but what that does is allows me to have a little bit of room to work. Alright, now the next step is to go ahead and get these faces, this side trued up. And once I true this side up, then we'll blend these to a point. And once we do that, we're done with this part. So this is kind of a step process we're going to go through. I'll have to go to the house and get a coaster and measure the lengths and allow some saw spacing before we start to saw these. So now what I'm going to do here to make matters simple for me is, and we're just going to hit it close. Obviously there's not an OD involved here. Want to kind of blend them. There we go. And it's not perfect because the run out isn't exactly perfect, but that's close enough for what we're going to do. Now, let me go figure out what I need to do. I'll bring you back. This is the setup. I've already cut 3 to 4 pieces off. I've got 3 pieces out of it sawed already. Now I'm beginning to run into where you normally have a saw problem. So now I've got the fixture set. Still got my stop set, so to speak. So now all I've got to do is just bring this thing down here and start to saw up. I have to adjust this a bit. Now I can saw out here. So now, and the way I've got it set in the fixture, I can slide it out at least once or twice more before I have to move it in the fixture. So this way I can continue to saw this thing. So this is the kind of way it's going to work. See the thickness of what I'm looking for is right here. Hopefully I'm right. Oh yeah. So it's a little bit thinner than some of the others, but hopefully we've got a little room to work with that. Alright. There we go. Alright, now what I'm going to do while I'm sawing is I've got the piece here, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to do a cleanup on this one side right fast. And then I have something that I can set up to face these on. So holy shit. Excuse me here. Alright, we've got everything set up now. Now we're going to take a light facing cut. Over there, and then I'll have this one side trued up and ready to work with. And that's sort of the plan, hopefully. So this one here is the first one I sawed, And so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and break the corner. So see, my ODs are going to be safe, and that's the reason you do this. So see, now I can turn this thing around. I'm not going to face this side right now, but just to show you. See, this is, my ODs is always going to be true that way. So I won't face them all off and then come back and true them, set a stop when I fix them. Alright, you can call the neighbors to get everybody set down. All excitement's over with. We finished up. I keep mentioning the point about the 1,000 subscribers. Yes, we have reached that mark. I mentioned several times at the ends of my video. I also say that monetization is not in the cards right now. Based on my research, the numbers just don't make sense. It's such a small amount for a really small channel. If they approve it, it's not worth the aggravation to you. Hopefully, with your help and getting more subscribers, more members of the family, we can get there and get a little bit of the income. I'm gonna never be Adam Booth or Mr. Pete, but hey, I don't strive to that. I've strived to enjoy making videos for you guys. Yeah, quite frankly, I don't care if I ever get really, really, really big. It'd be nice, but hey, as long as I've got a core group of people believe in me, that's all that's important. There's more things important than being a YouTube celebrity, and that's nothing I really intended to start out being when I started this adventure. With that being said, please subscribe. I always need more of them. We all do as subscribers. Subscriptions is the heart of YouTube. Comments are always welcome, good, bad, or indifferent. Hey, jump in there if you got something to say, good or bad. Hey, you know, just holler. It's the way we interact with people. I don't know if I'm doing good or goofing up without somebody sitting back and telling me. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This was the copyright production of James Deadman, Saw Logs Plastic Cups, for your entertainment, enjoyment, and some slight education here on YouTube. Until that next video, I'll see you in it, and have a happy new year if this thing gets out before New Year's. So with all that being said, goodbye till that next video. Thanks so much for watching and stopping by.